hey, I want to give you something. You want to know what it is? I want to give you a tip today. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join us. I try to keep a straight face doing it. Oh, anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, today's tip of the day is I want you to be fearless when it comes to your dreams, your goal, your aspiration, your inspiration, your motivation. And I want you to be careless when it comes to people, that's doubting your life, your career, your goals, haters, and who care about what to say. All right, just be careless about what anybody that's negative has to say about you and your future and your life. All right, if you're watching this video, this is very crucial, and I'm going to repeat it again. Look, be fearless about your goals and your aspiration, your inspiration, your motivation in life. Okay, and be careless about what people think about you. Okay, it's very important, guys. Who care what they got to say about you? Worry about what you got to say about yourself. Okay, a lot of people are always going to talk. They're always going to have the 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, or 5 cent. Let them talk. The opinion that matter most is yours. How you feel about anything should be top one in your priority list. If you're watching this video, you just got a W, so take that and let it resonate. Because by the end of the day, you will always be a winner. You will always shine. You are very valuable. You are smart. You're kind. I want you to unleash the beast inside of you and go out there and soar and be the greatest person you could ever be. And stop worrying about what anybody got to say about you, because these are just demons trying to attack you when you're rising up. When you're rising up from your ashes, that's when people come and try to attack you and bring you down to where they're at. But you gotta be smarter than that, okay? Alright, guys, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Hope you guys love all the tips I've been giving you guys, okay? See you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video. Well, I love y'all. Peace.